So, good morning, students. So, myself Niveta, I am going to present here the superheterodyne receiver. So, first you need to know what is meant by transmitter and what is meant by receiver. So, a radio transmitter, it is nothing but an electronic system which will be converting the information signal into a radio frequency signal so that the signal can be radiated by the antenna for transmission. Okay, so what is meant by receiver? So a receiver is nothing but it is also an electronic circuit that will be picking up a desired radio frequency signal and recover the baseband signal from it. Okay, so here we were going to see what is meant by superheterodyne receiver. So what are the functions of the receiver and what are the receiver parameters? Okay, so these are the features, that is functions of a receiver. So the first one is fidelity, selectivity and sensitivity. So these are the main parameters of a radio receiver. Okay, so what is mean by selectivity? So selectivity is nothing but it is a receiver parameter which is used to measure the ability of the receiver to select a signal of desired frequency while rejecting all others. So a receiver has to select a particular signal. So in multiplexing and all, what we will be doing means we will be transmitting a large number of signals in a single channel. So at the receiver, what will be doing means you have to select a particular signal which is needed by the receiver. So that is known as selectivity. So if a receiver has poor selectivity means what will be happening means if a source, that is if a transmitter is saying hi and the receiver will be hearing nothing, so the receiver won't hear anything. So this is known as selectivity. And the next parameter is sensitivity. So what is meant by sensitivity? So sensitivity is nothing but the ability of a receiver to detect the weakest signal and to amplify it. It is known as sensitivity. So sensitivity, the best way, so in order to improve the sensitivity of a receiver, you have to reduce the noise level. So the noise level should be minimized in order to increase the sensitivity. So sensitivity is nothing but detecting the weakest signal and it has to be amplified so that the receiver can be able to hear the original signal. So the next parameter is fidelity. So what is meant by fidelity means to reproduce all the range of modulating signal at the output of the receiver. So that is to produce the original source information. That is, a receiver should have the parameter that it should reproduce the original signal to the receiver. So if a transmitter is transmitting how are you means the receiver is hearing my father is fine means, is there any relation between us? No. So if a receiver has poor fidelity means the original information cannot be transferred properly. So these are the three parameters which is mainly needed for a receiver. Okay, so in order to overcome these problems we are using superheterodyne receiver. So okay, so what is meant by superheterodyne receiver means here we are using a principle called heterodyning or mixing. That is, we were going to change the original frequency into intermediate frequency, then we are supposed to transmit the signal. Okay, this is the principle which is used in superheterodyne receiver. Okay, this is the block diagram of superheterodyne receiver. So before superheterodyne receiver, what a receiver we have using means we have using TRF, that is tuned radio frequency receiver is used by us. So the by using this tuned radio frequency receiver, we were not able to use at high radio frequencies. So while when we are using at a high radio frequency means what will be happening means the performance of the receiver is very poor. So in order to overcome these drawbacks, we are moving on to superheterodyne receiver. Okay, so this is the block diagram of superheterodyne receiver. So at high frequency also the performance of the receiver is good. Okay, how the performance is increased means by using heterodyning principle. So this is the block diagram of superheterodyne receiver. Okay. Here you can see an antenna which is receiving all the signals which are transmitted by the transmitter. Okay. Here the original principle is using is heterodyning. So heterodyning is nothing but a process of mixing two signals having different frequency to produce a signal with new frequency is known as heterodyning. So this is the principle which is used in superheterodyne receiver. Okay. So the superheterodyne receiver consists of pre-selector, that is RF section is the first part. Okay. RF section, this is the first part. The second one is mixer or converter section, whereas the third one is IF section, fourth one is detector section, and the fifth one is amplifier section. So these are the 5 sections which are in superheterodyne receiver. Okay. The first one, RF section. So RF section consists of 2 parts. The one is pre-selector and the second one is RF amplifier. So what is the function of RF section is the incoming amplitude modulated wave is received by the receiving antenna and it is amplified in this section. Okay. So it consists of pre-selector and amplifier stage. So the first section is pre-selector. So pre-selector, it will be consisting of band pass filter with an adjustable center frequency. So it will be having a center frequency which is tuned to a desired carrier frequency of the incoming signal, and it will be rejecting other unwanted radio frequency. Okay. So unwanted radio frequencies are termed as image frequency. Okay. It will also reduce the noise bandwidth for noise and allows the useful signal only. Okay. So here the original signal, so which we want to receive, is selected and it is given to the RF amplifier. So RF amplifier, what will be doing means it will be tuning the frequency and amplifying the frequency to the desired frequency Fs. So here Fs is the signal that will be received by the mixture. Okay. So the mixture is also known as it is also known as a converter section. Okay. So the combination of mixture and local oscillator. So from the local oscillator a carrier frequency is generated and it is given to the mixture. So here one signal is generated with the different frequency. So from the RF amplifier one signal with different frequency and local oscillator one signal with a different frequency will be mixed in the mixer to produce a signal with different frequency, that is with a new frequency. So here IF frequency, that is intermediate frequency signal, will be produced. So this is the function of mixture. Okay. The mixture and local oscillator combination is sometimes referred to as first detector, and in this case the demodulator is the second detector. Okay. So the frequency which will the mixture will produce a signal having new frequency in the range of 455 kilohertz. Okay. From the mixture the signal is passed through the IF section. What is the function of IF section means it will be having 2 components, band pass filter and IF amplifier. So the band pass filter will be selecting a particular signal at a given bandwidth. Okay. Then it is given to the IF amplifier. So in the IF amplifier what we will be doing means the intermediate frequency new signal is amplified to a desired signal and it is passed through the detector section. So in the detector section you will be having a AM detector. Okay. The function of the detector is it is used to recover the baseband or message signal. Okay. The detector is generally called a audio detector or the second detector. The audio amplifier, so the next section is from the detector it is given to the audio amplifier. The function of the audio amplifier will be amplifying the AF signal and apply it to the loudspeaker. The audio section combines several cascaded audio amplifier and contain one or more speaker. Okay. The number of amplifier used depends on the audio signal power desired. So this is the function of superheterodyne receiver. So what are the advantages? So by using superheterodyne receiver, these are the advantages. So the first one is it will be having high sensitivity, high selectivity, and improved stability, high adjacent channel rejection, and there will be no variation in bandwidth. Okay, high gain because of IF amplifiers are operated at low frequency. So by using the amplifier at low frequency, the gain is very high. Okay, so these are the advantages of using super head receiver. So these things we have already seen, that is heterodyne consists of 5 section: RF section, mixture section, IF section, audio detector and audio amplifier section. Okay, thank you.